Bromine is used just in modern contemporary pigments. We can find bromine over here in eosin in our pigment checker modern and contemporary art. Bromine is used to modify certain class of organic chemistry pigments, in particular the azo pigments, in order to change a little bit the color of the pigment, of the dye, in particular also to change its light fastness, to increase it. And basically the process is that we use bromine to substitute an hydrogen atom inside these big, large organic chemistry color molecules. The first use of eosin that we have recently documented was done by Vincent van Gogh in his paintings, later paintings, where he actually found out to use this eosin dye for his flowers, which actually resulted in a problem because at the time that formulation was not that light fast, so that is causing some degradation and fading of the color. Atomic number 35. The X-ray lines are here, so the K alpha is 11.9, the K beta is 13.3. As usual, we want to have a baseline to analyze the spectrum of bromine. So in this case, I use this one, is a potassium bromide. Is a material that we use in FTIR spectroscopy, in the infrared spectroscopy, to make the tablets that are analyzed with FTIR spectroscopy. So we have this material, KBr, it's one atom potassium, one atom bromine. This is the spectrum we get, so we see the K alpha of bromine is at about 36,000 counts using the routine filter set. We have a good signal, pretty strong. We do now analyze eosin over here in our pigment checker modern art for modern pigments, and we get again the spectrum of bromine. So we see the K alpha line, we see also the K beta, but the counts, of course, is much less. So we are in the order of less than 100 counts. Of course, here we have much less bromine. So we see that from the formula of this bromoeosin, so eosin containing bromine atom. And of course, there are plenty of other atoms so that the percentage of bromine is diluted, and so the signal that we get is also diluted, but still we can tell it, so it's still over the noise of the instrument. We can detect bromine when it is used in these modern art pigments to change the color, the stability, so we can find it in eosin but also in other pigments, modern art pigments.